Hi, I'm Dave Ladd with Armorlite. We are a producer of a complete floor replacement system. It's not a weather mat, it's a replacement for your carpet. As most Jeepers and off-roaders know, you do not want carpet in your vehicle. So we developed something just for the trail, just for the beach. It's rugged, it's durable, it can take a beating. This is what the product is. It is designed to fit perfectly into your vehicle environment. It fits better than your factory carpet. We should know because we also produce those for the major OEMs around the world. So Armorlite has a marine grade surface on it. It will not scratch or mar. It will not fade in the sun until about 10 years, which is 4 times the industry standard. It is a very durable surface. You've got all your water management built into it, and when it rains or you want to hose it out and wash it, just flip the drain open like this and wash all that dirt and nastiness away. Down here it would be mostly sand. But it is a very popular product. It's about 4 years old, and it has really been very, very well received by the Jeeping community. Now available on Bronco and soon on Tacoma too. I'll be happy to show you what it looks like installed in the vehicle if you want to come down this way. You'll have to peek inside to see it, but basically it covers the entire area and surface that the carpet previously would have covered. This particular Jeep's been this floor has been in this Jeep for 2 years. It's been on every trail between Rubicon and Moab, and here in the east where it tends to get muddy. And as you can see, we just hose it out, drain it down, and it comes back to factory clean every time after 2 years of abusive conditions in that hostile environment on the trails. So that is Armorlite. You can get it to replace everything in your vehicle. All fiber materials gone. Armorlite takes its place. You can find us on goarmorlite.com. We're certainly also in social media at Armorlite, Facebook, Instagram, and we have a number of distributors like Quadratech, like Meyer, like Northridge, Amazon too if you want. But the best way is to order it factory direct from our plant in North Carolina, and we'll ship it right to your front door.